Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. This is Cambridge Primary Mathematics Learner's Book and I am Ahsan. In my last video, we have discussed the chapter Statistics. Yes, this chapter. We were doing this one and at grade level 1, statistics only means sorting the things, putting them into different groups and making different sets, and a little bit use of Venn diagram. So let's start with page number 101, 101 today. Last time we did till here. Okay, let's investigate. It's also a part of statistics. Yes, it's also a part of statistics. Work with a partner, find two different ways to sort the houses. Show one way in your book here. Your partner should show the other way in their book. Okay, we have to show the way how can we put the houses into different groups. Okay, in one group we can write that uh, this is called label. Whatever we write the name of the group or whatever we are going to sort in one group, that is called label. Let me write the label for the first group. My first label is small houses, because writing double story house is a long title for grade 1 students and the space is so little. See, the box is not that little. That's why I'm sorting them as small houses and big houses. Big houses. Or you can say that double story flats or triple story flats. Okay, so these are called labels. You have to write the labels in these boxes here, and then you can sort them like A, B, D and E are small. A, B, D and E are small, and the big houses are C and F. Make things easier for grade 1, because if they will get confused, they will not like maths anymore. Okay, and what other way can you sort them out? Okay, there is one more way. Look at the windows of these houses. All of these houses have windows, and the windows of this house have straight lines. But only this house has windows with curved edges, curved sides, right? Okay, so we can give the label windows with straight lines and windows with curved lines. That's also a long title label, but it's okay. Okay, or one more thing we can do: red colored doors, red colored doors, red colored red colored doors, and the other label could be other colors. Just write other colors. Other. Um, we have only two groups. That's why we will write red colored doors and other colors, right? We don't have more options to write red color, green color, and blue color. What have you learned about sets and sorting? You can ask the child, what have you learned? And write or draw one thing that you know now that you didn't know before. Okay, maybe they draw something sorting. Okay, now I can sort my socks. Now I can sort my toys. Now I can sort the houses in my street or the houses in Lahore. In Pakistan, okay, houses with lawn, houses without a lawn. With lawn, I am saying this word lawn, or the garden, or the houses without garden. Okay, so let's see what's next. Mm, Look, what can I do? What I can do? I can sort objects into sets. Yes, now the kids are able to do that. I can count objects in sets. Yes, I can use the words groups and sets. Words group and sets. Yes. Words group and sets. It means grouping and making the sets. Okay, Venn diagrams. Venn diagrams are usually the overlapping diagrams, but here in grade 1 we can just say that make one circle and put the things inside, like red objects will go in the circle and the other things, rest of the other things will remain outside the circle. This is because they are just learning how to sort the things, how to sort the data. A Venn diagram helps you to organize data. It can help you to compare different groups, and we need to know about sorting into sets so that we can organize objects that fit together. Okay. Um, yes, that fit together. See, red pencil and red button, they fit together. They have red color in common. Okay, when we sort, we look for the things that are same, right? That are same. Okay, for the same data, you could have make a circle for round things. Round things. Sort the round things. ठीक है, with the same data, if you have a circle saying round things, then you will put button in it and this ball, and rest of the things will remain outside the circle. Okay, in this group, in the red objects group, do we have more items or fewer? This is how we will use more and fewer words in this topic. So it has fewer objects than the objects that are outside the circle. What is next? Okay. Look at the stars. Some have 5 points, some do not. Sort the stars by writing the letters in the correct part of the Venn diagram. What did you notice? Okay. So first see a star with 5 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, the star B has 5 points. And star A has more points, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 points. So we will not write A inside. Okay, this star also has 5 points. So I will write C here. This star has more points. I will not write it here. E star also has more points. F has 5 points. So I will write F in here. It has more. H has 5. I has 5 and J has more points. Okay, what did you notice? We have noticed that we can draw stars with more points as well. Okay, the stars that don't have 5 points go outside the circle. All the stars in the circle have 5 points. Okay, work with your partner. Here is a group of shapes. Sort the shapes by writing the letters into the correct part of the Venn diagram. Okay, the correct part of the Venn diagram, all faces flat. Okay, the cylinder has a curved face, again a curved face, and the curved face. Okay, and these cubes, all of these shapes are cubes. So, and they have flat faces. Let me write B, F, I, H, and G. All of these are cubes. So, we can change the label. We can. I'm just telling you, I'm not saying to change the label of the book. We can write this label as well, that all the cubes. So all the cubes will go inside. Or we can do this, all the cylinders. If we have to change it, we can write that all the cylinders, then all the cylinders will go inside. And these flat faces shapes will remain outside the circle. You can ask the students, if I change the label, will I change the letters as well? Okay, make different questions to your students so that they can give different answers. Okay, sort the balloons by writing the letters into the correct part of the Venn diagram. Not orange. So, not orange. It means that B is not orange. They mean all the greens. E, F, G. Not orange. So, you mean all the greens. So, all the greens will go inside the circle. If I change the label, all greens. Do I have to change these letters as well? No, they will remain the same because they are already all greens. Okay, sort the shapes by writing the letters into the correct part of the Venn diagram. All squares. Only E, not only, it is E, D, and F. E, D, and F. Okay, if I change the question, the striped shapes. Striped. Or the shapes with stripes. Will I change the letters as well? Yes, because the striped shapes are A, C, E, and F. Okay, now the question is, how many shapes are squares? There are 3 squares. How many shapes are stripy? There are 4. How many stripy squares do you have? Okay, we have only 2. We have only 2 squares that have stripes, and they are squares as well. Draw a ring around the correct word to complete each sentence. There are more stripy shapes or the more squares? More stripy shapes, because squares are 3 and stripy shapes are 4. See, 1, 2, 3 squares, but if we just count the stripy shapes, they are 4. There are more, I'm reading this one. There are fewer stripy shapes than squares. There are fewer square shapes. Square shapes are less. So there are fewer square shapes. And there are more stripy shapes. Okay, sort the animals by writing the letters into the correct part of the Venn diagram. Cannot fly. So you mean the animals? Because animals cannot fly, the birds can fly. It will fly, 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 fly. Okay, so we have A, B, and E. Ostrich is a bird. It cannot fly high into the sky, but it can make high jumps. So we will write it in birds. We have only 3 animals here. How can you find and record your favorite food? Okay, Mm, yes, we can ask in the class about which food is your favorite. Let's do this question. Wait. Okay, it is not about the class, it is about work with a partner. How can you find and record your favorite food? Talk to your partner about what you like to eat. Draw or write things you like in your circles. Say, I like mango, I like biryani, and porridge. No, 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 I don't like it. So, so I will write porridge out of the circle. I think I didn't write the correct spellings of porridge. It has a DGE. I'm not sure, so let's remove it. Okay, or if I write what else I don't like? I don't like tea. I never took tea in my life. So, yes, I can write coffee inside the circle because that's my favorite. Okay. Draw or write the things you like in the circle. So I have written the things. Drawing is a bit challenging for me. Draw or write things you don't like outside the circle. Your partner should do the same in their book. Okay, I have written outside the circle it's tea. And what else I don't like? I don't think there is anything else. Yes, all the other things I like to eat. Okay, now compare your answers with your partner. What did you both like most? I think mango. Mango is the favorite fruit for all of us, almost for all of us. Okay, were they the same or different? Definitely different. People like tea. What did you both like the least? Both like the least. Mm, yes, sushi. Maybe me and my partner don't like to eat sushi. Okay, were they the same or different? They can be same or different. It depends on the on your partner and your choices. When will this chapter end? It is okay. Only a few pages left, so let's do it. Okay, draw a ring around each mistake in the Venn diagram. Each mistake, I can see four mistakes. Let me find mistakes. Clothes with spots. They said that clothes with spots. Okay, so why did you put these shirts inside? They are not with spots. Oh, they should put these shirts inside. Okay, so there are one, two, three, and four mistakes. Yes. Okay, and it is easy. You can say that put all the pink shirts inside or put all the blue shirts outside. It's easy. Okay, look at this group of bugs. Sort the bugs into a Venn diagram in two different ways. Work with your partner, talk about different ways you found. Do you think there are more than two ways to sort the bugs? Yes, there can be. Okay, use these labels, draw or write what you think. Don't forget to label your diagram. Yes, without labeling, we cannot tell what is inside and what is outside. Okay, the first Venn diagram I'm going to make is about these insects that can fly. ठीक है, like flying insects. Flying insects will come inside, all of the insects will go outside. So butterfly, this cockroach, this ladybug will come inside. Ant cannot fly. This spider can fly. Yes, it will come inside. And this ladybug will also come inside. And yes, A, C, E, and F. They cannot fly. Okay. What other way can we sort out? Yes, we can sort out with the legs. Having, for let's make, they have six, six legs. Six legs. It has six legs. No, not six. I'm wrong. Eight legs. Eight legs. Usually insects have eight legs. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Eight legs, and yes, eight legs. One, two, three. I think this spider has, in this picture, spider has six legs, but it actually has eight legs. And this also has eight legs. So again, what is left? A, C, and F left behind. Okay, is there any other way to sort the insects? Hmm, then what? What other way do you think of? Tell me in comment section. I know one more. We can sort out this or this. So what will be? Label it. Tell me in the comment section. Okay, how did your partner help you with Venn diagram? Mm, okay, it depends on you and your partner. How did you help each other? How did you help your partner? What didn't you like doing? What was that? What didn't you like doing? Hmm. I don't like drawing in the Venn diagram. Okay, I can record, sort, and show data using Venn diagrams. Yes, I can do it. I can describe data. Yes. I can discuss what I have found out. Yes. And I can represent the data as well. Okay. Check your progress. Let me remove it. Sort this food into what you like and what you don't like. Write the letters in the circles. I like and I don't like. I think it is rice. Yes, I like. It is something Chinese. I like. I like. I like it. Well, it is cake, apple, and fish and fries. Yes, I like everything. What I don't like, so there is nothing I don't like about the food. I like everything, Alhamdulillah. Okay, continued. Sort the bears by writing the letters into the correct part of the Venn diagram. Red bears. It is easy, you can do it. Okay, sort the ice cream and ice lollies by writing the letters into the correct part of the Venn diagram. Okay, they have written them separately. Good. So, these are ice lollies and these are ice creams. Chocolate. B F H-I-L-O-T. These are chocolate flavors. Okay, how many lollies are there? How many chocolate lollies are there? So there are three chocolate lollies. How many chocolate ice creams are there? So chocolate ice creams are four. We can count from here. How many items are not ice creams or lollies? So there are three. Three items, they are not ice creams or lollies. Okay, next is the chapter of time. We will do that in another video. Thanks for watching, and sometimes YouTube by automatically put my videos set as made for kids. Okay, when the video is made for kids, you cannot comment. If you want to ask me something, you can reach me out on my WhatsApp number. I'm writing it on the screen. 493596 3. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.